Before you dream of making money from big brands or calling yourself an influencer, you need to ask yourself this question. Are you just being seen or bringing real results? That's the difference between getting likes and getting paid. Now, a lot of people online think that once they get a big following, brands will just start paying them straight away. But it's not that simple. If you want to work with the brands or businesses, first you need to understand what they actually want. Small businesses, let's start with small businesses, mostly they want visibility. They want people to know they exist. So if you have good engagement online, if people like, comment and share your content, then you can really help these businesses get noticed online. But for big established brands, they already have visibility. They don't just want attention. What they want is conversion. They want people to buy their product and services. So when you approach these businesses, they'll ask you these questions. What can you bring to the table? Can you help us sell our services and products? If you can answer these questions, then you're on the safe side. If all you offer is views and likes, it's not enough. But if you can convince even 1,000 people to buy something because of your content, then that's so powerful for you as a content creator. Brands will start seeing you as a real asset. So if you want to make real money online as a content creator or influencer, don't just chase attention. You need to chase impact. And that's what gets you paid.